Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but been traveling, moving, moved people twice. So it's been a hustle and bustle. But as you can see here, got a lift in the truck with good reason. You'll see why later. Alright, take y'all in here. In this video we'll be trying to get this thing roadworthy today. He's making brackets with his radiator. I don't know what. Dustin, what are you doing? He putting drive shaft in, and I'm gonna be working on wire harness. So. Guys, so I never explained, but this is a whole list of everything that needs to be done on the car. We haven't marked anything off as yet, but electronic boost controller, vacuum lines are hooked up, wastegate, anti-turbo, power steering, reservoir in, pump in. We need an alternator that needs to go down there. Have to order one. I'm just gonna tidy up the wires and everything right now, and then it's off to the seats inside and the wiring. Drive shaft just got done, thanks to Mr. I'm not doing anything over there. But that's where we're at for right now. I know you guys seen a whole lot of hyperlapse, but I'd rather do that than have to cut all this footage and get it done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these wires in place, get everything tidy up, and then we can keep chucking. Yeah. There's something ticking over there.
Well, yeah, the coil wire's not hooked up.
Oh.
Isn't that a question? Coil wire hooked up?
Oh.
Move it all this way again. So there's something ticking. You ain't about to get your ass shot.
Go ahead.
Is that all the way forward?
Yeah.
Move it back.
All right, middle.
All the way back.
All the way back.
Went too far. Pull that wire back up. And so now's where we just go ahead and do it right way.
What? Do it the right way.
Please forgive me.
Ready?
Yep. You spit the fire, bro.
Yeah, we're in the realm. So,
Shit. All right, time to get out of here.
yeah, let's call it.
You happy? Huh? All right, he's happy. So, yeah, we're done. It's smoky in here.
That I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah.
Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot.